Django admin sidebar bug. I've been having this weird issue with my Django site for a few weeks now that I can't quite figure out. Whenever I go to the admin page on my local machine, debug equals true, it's completely unusable because the sidebar is filling the entire screen as pictured below. This began happening when I upgraded to Django 3.1 if that matters. This project started on 2.1. This does not happen on my live/production site. When I switch debug equals false on my local machine it works as expected as well, however I can't figure out for the life of me what's causing this. I've tried other browsers as well to no avail.
In your project's root urls.py file, simply add the below code to disable the new sidebar feature. Thanks to the Go company from this link.